Hey there, it's Kurt Nilsen with Sunrise Mortgage Group in Oregon City. I'm the low and no down payment home loan guy. In this quick video, I'm going to clear up 3 of the biggest misconceptions about low and no down payment home loans. You'll learn that these low and no down payment loans are not that hard to qualify for. And I believe that what I'm about to share will give you a higher level of confidence about being able to obtain one of these low or no down payment home loans if that's your goal. So, the number one misconception I hear is that people think they need a big down payment to buy a home. Now, I have to admit there is a lot of conflicting information floating around out there, and I've even read things recently from, the financial experts that say you need to have 20% down payment and darn near perfect credit to buy a house. And that's just not true. Yeah, it would be great to have 20% down payment because you can avoid the mortgage insurance premium, but realistically, getting a 20% down payment is just not going to happen for most people, especially first-time home buyers. A 20% down payment on a $300,000 house is $60,000. Yikes. You don't need a 20% down payment. Misconception number 2 is that you need to have perfect credit or scores above 700, whatever. Now, that is a big misconception because there are some low down loans that only require a 580 score. Yeah, you heard me right, a 580 score. Now, I will say it definitely makes it easier to qualify and gives us more options if the scores are 620 or above, but you get the picture. You don't need perfect credit to get a low or a no down home loan. And in many cases, a 580 or 620 score can do the trick. Misconception number 3 has to do with how much impact the amount of down payment you save has on the total monthly payment. What I mean by that is folks will say, well, Kurt, I'm going to wait and save up a bunch of money for down payment, so I'll have a lower monthly payment. Okay, that makes sense. But what really surprises people is when I tell them this. For every $10,000 you save for down payment, that $10,000 in down payment only reduces the monthly payment by about $50 or $60 a month. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that saving up for a large down payment and having a lower payment isn't a good thing, but that extra $10,000 saved for down payment isn't making that big of a dent in the monthly payment compared to, how much work and time it takes to save the $10,000. So there you have it. I hope that helped. You don't need a huge down payment. There are quite a few loans you can get with no to very little down. You don't need great credit, and you don't have to save for years to try to get a larger down payment. I sincerely want to make your home buying experience a great one, and it doesn't cost anything to talk. So feel free and give me a call or shoot me an email, and be sure and check out the helpful links down below this video. Thanks a lot for tuning in.